Write a V. Write a backward 2. Write a 2. Draw the eyes. Write L. Write backward L. Write 2 V's. Write a 3. Connect the lines. Write 2 V's. Draw lines. Let's color the frog. Follow for more.